Have you purchased your Petit Amour? I did. Let's check it out. I bought some items from my own store, my online store. And we're about to unbox it. Yeah. Unbox it. Yeah. Hold up. Oh, y'all. This is like one of my favorite designs. Look at it. This is the crew neck fly faith fashion, because that's what Petit Amour is. It's fly faith fashion, right? My love for fashion and my faith all in one. This is a crew neck. I got some Jordans to match. And then on the back is our symbol. Yeah. So check out the next item. This one is, you know, people be like, you so petty. So I flipped it and was like, it's cool to be petty. Yes, it is. This is just an everyday premium tee. It's cool to be petty. You can rock this with some jeans. I got some Jordans I'm gonna rock with it. I'm gonna be so cute. Make sure you check out the Petit Amour store online.